Hi friends, welcome to Attraction Day by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to unbox a Digitizer. Now let's start unboxing. I checked its price, it is $50 but I got it as a gift. Wow! So many accessories! They provided us with two OTG cables so that we can connect to Android devices. They provided an artist drawing glove, which is more specifically known as an anti-fouling glove. These are pen nibs. This is a translucent film. We will see its purposes later on. This is a matte protector. We will see how to fix this later on. This is a protective bag. A drawing tablet is almost a touchscreen for our computer, making it possible to use a pen to input information. Drawing tablets can be valuable for presenters, artists, graphic designers, and Photoshop geeks. This is a passive pen. It does not need battery. An active pen requires an active connection like Bluetooth to operate, while a passive pen doesn't require any such complexities. It has two keys which can be customized. In this box they have provided a nib removal tool and some additional pen nibs. In total they have provided 30 pen nibs. This is the top portion of the pen holder, whereas this is the bottom portion of the pen holder. Let's fix it. There are 12 keys on the left side of the graphics tablet, which can be customized. There are 10 keys on the top for multimedia, calculator, etc. Connect the graphics tablet to the PC USB 2.0 or 3.0 port. Do not connect to the front USB port of the PC. Now let's install the driver. After connecting the USB in File Explorer, click on this PC. Double-click CD drive pen driver. Then double-click tablet setup v4.exe. Now select the language and click OK. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next and click Install. Select the option Download Painting Software Paint Tool and click Finish. It will download the Paint Tool software and a shortcut will be created. Double-click the Paint Tool shortcut. It will install the application. Click OK. This button is for erasing. If I press this button, you can see an eraser icon appeared near my cursor. Now let me erase this. This button is for zooming out, whereas this button is for zooming in. This button is for decreasing the width of the pen, whereas this button is for increasing the width of the pen. Now you can see this is the current width. Now let me decrease it. Now you can see it is very small. Now let me increase it. Now you can see it is very big. This button is used for moving the canvas. For that you have to hold this and use your pen to move it. This button is for moving the items on the canvas. For that, hold the button and use your pen to move it. This button is for color picker. For that, hold this button and click on the color that you want. Now you can see if I write, the color has changed from green to red. like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.